Hi everyone, my name is Joel. I work in the Economic Development Department at the Chamber, and I'm also the director at NAmTrans. As part of our ongoing video series of how a bus is built in the North Country, I'm here today in Beekmantown on the job at Connectall. Connectall is a manufacturer and distributor of stainless steel tubes and hose components and adapters that are really the lifeblood of a bus. So what they do is they carry everything from the fuel to the engine coolant to the air conditioning liquids. Think of it as like the veins and arteries in a human body, right? They have a lot for me to do today. I'm going to be cutting and crimping some hoses, so let's head inside. Here at Connectall, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to actually be cutting some hose. We're going to be taking it over, we're going to be crimping it after, we're going to be putting some crimp ends on it. And these hoses, as I mentioned earlier, are really important to the overall bus. A number of different fluids run through these. Pressure coolant, probably for fuel lines, things of that nature. So all of your fluids are going to be running through the hoses that are produced here at Connectall.
I'll flip her on. We'll just take the hose in, right to the bottom.
Okay.
Try and get it flat.
To measure?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Use your foot here.
Okay.
And just slowly press down.
Slowly press it down. Got it. Cool.
Like that one?
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll just pull it out here. Try to get it as flat as possible there.
Exactly.
Look at that.
That's it. Got it. That's it.
What do you think? You give me like a 2 out of 10?
That's 10 out of 10. I mean,
10 out of 10.
It's pretty hard to
Okay.
do.
Oh, wait, there's more?
Oh, there's more. I check them after, but that's...
Well, yeah, that's probably important that we check them. Yep.
That's good. Now, what you're just going to do,
Okay.
you're going to take this hose and you're going to mark it off.
Okay.
Mark it.
Perfect. So we're going to mark it how all the way
So-
around? All right, perfect. So these are where the crimp ends are going to go.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's the jack.
You want to hit that line when you put these on. Then you don't. There's no marker on there. It's like, no, it's
Oh, that where it
hidden,
needs to be?
yeah.
Okay. Like so?
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that.
What you'll see is we have options for different dyes, different size dyes. Each
Oh,
one
yeah.
will have a different. She'll switch those out and put a setting on the machine
Okay.
to tell it how far down to compress it.
Gotcha.
And then you want like this part right here.
Okay.
It's gonna line up right in there,
Okay. Oh, yep, I see. Okay.
just like that. And then you're gonna let it go all the way down, and it'll release itself.
It's using the
All right. So, and then it really tightens it down there.
Yep.
So like it's
Yep.
straight to the hose.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give it a whirl?
Go for it.
All right.
Start the other way.
This one, this way?
Yep.
Okay. How's that for lining up? Pretty good?
Well, you're not going to really know until it starts to come down a little bit.
Okay.
So bring it down a little bit first. Go back.
How was that? Pretty good?
That was perfect.
Hey, 10 out of 10. Look at that. To be determined. To be determined. Okay, so we're gonna crimp the other end here. Okay, swing it back through this side. And now, tight all the way around. I'm pretty proud of this. I'm pretty proud of this hose.
I can't let you take it home.
Oh, okay, fair enough, fair enough.
It's going to say 1.28.
1.24. Okay.
That's
So do
good.
you get any wiggle room like
Yeah,
that?
oh, yes.
Okay. So this would be finished at this point, right?
Nope,
No?
there's 2 more steps to this.
Okay. I don't want to set this down. I kind of want to just hold on to this. So are we getting ready to package these up to ship them out? Yep, okay.
Zip ties onto the short end.
It'll end onto the short end, okay. This being the short end?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, just like that.
Zip ties seem to be my weakness today. Out of everything that I've done, these have been giving me the hardest.
Maybe a little. Do you want to put your name down there, your initials since you assembled?
Can I really?
I'm
Yes.
gonna send out 2 today. So here, you initial down there.
Okay. So now they know when it doesn't work that they can,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
probably a good move on your part. Perfect. See, this is the part I'm comfortable with. I know how to operate this guy. So we just wrapped up here at Connectall. I worked with Connor and Christina, and we actually built 2 of the assemblies, the tube assemblies here. We started off with a hose, we cut and crimped them. We capped them, we zip tied them to these bars right here. And then we're gonna take 10 of these in this package. We boxed them all up, kind of like food show magic, right? We finished, here they are. They're ready to get shipped to Spencer ARL, and then they're gonna finish up at Prevost car. I had a great time here today. I learned a lot. I got a little dirty, which is always good, and we'll see you next time.